Question 5. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging the digits in the number 38,621? So the key phrase here is how many. When we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So we want to work out how many, when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging the digits in the number 38,621? So there are 5 digits. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. This represents the first digit, this represents the second digit, this represents the third digit, the fourth digit, and the final and fifth digit. So if we want to arrange the numbers 3, 8, 6, 2, and 1, so there's 5 numbers to choose from for the first digit. So let's say we used the number 2. Well, then there would only be 1, 2, 3, 4 digits left for the second digit. And in the same way, for the third digit, once we've used 2 of them, we've got 3 digits left. And then again for the fourth digit, we've got 2 digits left to choose from, once we've used 4 of them. And for the last digit, we've only 1 digit left to choose from. So it's going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is really 5 factorial, which gives us 120 5-digit numbers. Or if you wanted to just put it into your calculator, 5p5, that will also give you 120 straight away. So how many 5-digit numbers can be made of 5 digits? 5p5, 120. Question 6. A company has 20 members on its board of directors. In how many different ways can the members elect a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer? So first of all, we see the phrase how many different ways. We want to think multiply. And we see that there is a president, a vice president, a secretary, and a treasurer. So there's 4 different positions, and we have 20 people in total, 20 members, and we want to arrange them in 4 different ways. So remember, we have a president, a vice president, a secretary, and a treasurer. So there's 4 different positions in total. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes set up. Again, it says in how many different ways. So how many means multiply. So I've got multiplication symbols in between each box. So we've got 20 members to choose from. So for the president, we have a choice of 20 people. Now once the president has been chosen, whoever it is, we've only 19 people left to choose from for the vice president, because the vice president cannot also be the president. So whoever we choose to be the president, that position is gone and that person is now gone. So we've got 19 people left to choose from for the vice president. Likewise, when we go to choose the secretary, we have someone in place for the president, we have someone else in place for the vice president, so that's 2 people gone out of 20. So we've only 18 people left to choose from for the secretary. And likewise, when we go to choose the treasurer, we already have a president, we already have a vice president, and we already have a secretary. So that's 1, 2, 3 people out of 20 that are gone. So we've 17 left to choose from for the treasurer. So 20 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 17 gives us 116,280 different ways that we can choose the board of directors. And you could have just put into your calculator 20p4. So you've got 20 members to begin with, and you're trying to arrange them in 4 different ways. So president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, there's 4 positions for the people. So you have 20 people, you're trying to arrange them in 4 ways. So again, that gives you 116,280.